Did you know that a simple password is often the weakest link in your online financial security? It's true. Even a strong password can be compromised in a data breach, leaving your accounts vulnerable. That's why two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is the gold standard for protecting your money. For EverBank customers, securing your account with 2FA, which the bank also refers to as a one-time passcode verification, adds a critical extra step to verify it's you logging in. This feature is often automatically prompted for things like your first login, making a wire transfer, or changing beneficiaries. But what about enabling it for regular logins? Today, we're going to walk through how to ensure your contact information is correct so you can take full advantage of EverBank's multi-layered security and keep those extra walls of defense up. First things first, you'll need to log into your EverBank account. You can do this either on their main website, everbank.com, or through the mobile app. We'll start with the steps on the website, so open your browser and head over to everbank.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for the navigation options near the top. You're going to select the More tab. This is where you'll find all your profile and preference settings. From the drop-down menu under More, click on Profile. Inside the Profile section, you'll see an option for Contact Information. Click on that. Now, this is the most important step for two-factor authentication. EverBank uses your phone number on file, your mobile or your home phone, to send you a one-time passcode either via SMS text message or an automated voice call to verify your identity. On the contact information screen, review the phone numbers associated with your account. If you see a number that's old or incorrect, look for the edit icon next to that information and click it to make an update. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your correct, current phone number and make sure to save your changes. Having a valid, up-to-date phone number is the key to successfully receiving and using the 2FA passcodes EverBank uses to protect your account. Now, let's quickly cover the mobile app. The process is very similar. Log into the EverBank mobile app. From the account dashboard or home screen, tap the three-line menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner. Navigate to More, and then select Profile, just like we did on the website. Select Contact Information, review your phone numbers, and use the edit icon to make any necessary changes to ensure your number is current. While EverBank may not have a simple toggle switch to turn 2FA on for every single login, it's typically triggered by high-risk actions or new device logins. Ensuring your contact information is perfect is the only way the system can send you that crucial one-time passcode when it does need to verify your identity. This is how you confirm that extra layer of security is fully operational. It might seem small, but maintaining your correct phone number is the ultimate power move for your online banking security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.